New at 10, a wrongful death lawsuit settled in Limestone County for $15 million. The widow of Robert Owen sued Huntsville Emergency Services Incorporated and two of its former workers. WAAY 31 reporter Maddie McCaffrey joins us live in studio. Maddie, the family's attorney says the $15 million civil settlement is the largest ever in the county.
Yeah, I did. I spoke with the lawyer of the family, Nicole, and Ben Ford says that the family's thankful for the jury's decision after years of back and forth in the legal system. And they say the first responders who were with Robert Owen in 2019 when he needed medical attention need to be held accountable. This is video from inside the HEMSI ambulance as first responders transported Owen from Huntsville Hospital to UAB. During that non-emergency transport, you can see the driver, Jacob Steele, passing out, swerving lanes, and missing a major turn on the interstate before switching places with another first responder.
Goes into the back, props his feet up on the back of the stretcher, and goes and passes out. And then they tell two supervisors on the phone that they're doing this, and they get approved to do it.
Ford says Steele goes to the back of the ambulance, props his feet up, and passes out. You can see that on video here. Just moments later, Owen suffers a massive heart attack and screams for help, but nobody could hear him. Finally, the driver hears Owen's cries, stops the ambulance, and gives him a nitroglycerin pill.
And so he gets to UAB. He's in the throes of a heart attack. They have to put a device called a balloon pump into his heart to help it to not fail and die, and for him to die. And he's able to fight for about 11 days, and then finally his heart gave out.
Ford says he and his team presented text messages in court showing Steele as he was impaired.
But to this day, the state has not taken any action against HEMSI whatsoever. The company or the supervisors who allowed it to happen, or the CEO or the managers.
He tells us Owen spent years fighting against their insurance company when his daughter received cancer treatment, a favor she repaid.
The thing we told the jury was Robert fought for Jenny back in the 80s, and now because of what happened to Robert, Jenny was able to fight for him. It was 5 years coming, since 2019 when this happened. So it's been a long road, but they've been very courageous, wonderful people.
No word yet on next steps, but the Ford family says that they're grateful that the jury has ruled in their favor after years of fighting for justice, and they hope that what happened to Mr. Owen will never happen to anyone else. I'm live in studio with coverage you can count on. Maddie McCaffrey, WAAY 31 News.